Hi all. Now today let's move on to module 2. Now let's see what are the topics we are going to discuss in module 2. In module 2 we will be discussing about etiquettes, and under that we have social etiquette and business etiquette. Now let's see what is etiquette. Etiquette means, it is in simple words, it is good behavior. We have to follow a certain good behavior in an organization as well as in our day-to-day life, isn't it? So like if we are saying some examples for etiquette, we can say in an organization the employees, they have to follow certain code of conduct in the organization. So even while speaking to the colleagues or in a works like public space in an organization, you need to follow certain code of conduct. So that is, in simple words, it is called etiquette. Now let's see what are the importance of etiquette. The importance of etiquette are, it differentiates you from others in this competitive job market. Then it enables you to be confident enough with a variety of people in a variety of settings. It also honors a commitment to excellence and quality. It also creates a good brand image. That is, if you have a good behavior, it gives you a good image in the society as well as in the organization. Now let's see what is the types of etiquette. There are two types of etiquette, that is business etiquette and social etiquette. Now first let's see what is a social etiquette. Social etiquette means, in simple words, a code of conduct or a behavior that you have to follow in a social group or within a society. Like example, if you are saying, you can say social media etiquettes. In social media also we need to follow certain etiquettes, that is certain good behaviors. Now let's see what is business etiquette. Business etiquette, in simple words, it is a set of rules that governs the people in an organization. It can be to a customer, suppliers, or inside and outside of an organization. Now there are certain types of etiquettes in business. Those are dressing etiquette, dining etiquette, email etiquette, SMS etiquette, customer service etiquette, business party etiquette. Now let's discuss about the dressing etiquettes. As the word says, dressing, it is a set of rules in regards to clothing. It is often written set of rules. Now let's discuss do's and don'ts in dressing etiquette. The do's, first let's discuss the do's. In do's, you should always stick to casual clothes. Never wear like dress which attracts people. You should always choose a decent scarf to add your personality to the outfit you're wearing. You should always hide, if there is any tattoos in your hands or arms or anywhere, you should always hide it under your clothes so that you stay professional. Always wear a hosiery to cover your legs and stay professional. Now let's see the don'ts in a dressing etiquette. You should not show too much of your body. You should not wear loose clothes or sleeveless. You should not wear sports shoes or flip-flops, etc. Always wear professional shoes. Then don't wear street style dress or clothes, baggy jeans and rumpled clothes. Then don't wear many accessories with your casual clothes. Okay, now let's discuss what is dining etiquette. Dining etiquette means, in simple words, it is table manners you should follow while eating. Now let's see what are the do's and don'ts in dining etiquette. First, let's check the do's. Sit straight in your chair. Second, talk about pleasant things. Third, place your napkin on your lap. Fourth, wait until everyone is seated before you start. Watch others or ask someone if you are not sure about eating something. Ask someone to pass the food rather than reaching across the table. Now let's see what are the don'ts. Don't talk about gross things. Don't ask for seconds before others finish their first. Don't take more than your fair share. Don't overload your plate. Don't chew with your mouth open. Don't speak while you eat. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Now let's see what is telephone etiquette. As this name says, telephone, there also we have to use certain rules while talking in a call. Now let's see what are the do's and don'ts in a telephone etiquette. So first let's discuss the do's. You should be always patient and helpful. You should respond clearly with a yes or no when you're speaking. You should answer a call on behalf of others and you have to mention them that he or she is not available and you can assist them for any queries. Then you should note down the caller's name and number so that the concerned person can give a call back. Now let's see what are the don'ts in a telephone etiquette. You should not drink or eat while speaking on a call. You should not use poor language. You should never address an unfamiliar person with his or her first name. You should never snap back or act rude to the caller. You should never leave the person on hold for more than few minutes. It may upset or leave the person bored. Now let's see what is email etiquette. Email etiquette means it is the principles of behavior you should use while writing or answering an email. Now here let's see what are the do's in an email etiquette. You should have a clear subject line. You should use a professional salutation. You should proofread your message before sending. You should reply to all emails. Now what are the don'ts in an email etiquette? You should never forget your signature. Don't use humor. Don't assume the recipient knows what you're trying to say. Don't shoot from the lip. Now let's discuss about SMS etiquette. What is an SMS etiquette? SMS etiquette means it refers to the principles of behavior while sending an SMS. Now let's see what are the do's and don'ts in an SMS etiquette. First let's discuss the do's. Do reply promptly. Do keep text short. Do reread your message before sending and use proper grammar. Now let's see what are the don'ts in a SMS etiquette. Don't use sensitive news while sending an SMS. Don't text during inappropriate moments. Don't send too many attachments. Don't forget to double check the recipient before sending. Now let's see what is business party etiquette. Business party etiquette means how an individual have to behave in a business party or office parties, get-togethers or dinners. Now let's see what are the do's in a business party etiquette. You have to dress professionally. You have to arrive and depart on time. You should always watch your body language. Now let's see what are the don'ts in a business party etiquette. You should not bring an extra guest. Don't talk exclusively. Don't discuss office gossips. I hope this module is clear to you. Thank you.